In this video, we're going to learn how to build a Chrome extension that is a series of buttons, and it also includes an RSS feed. If you're building a blog and you have many articles in your blog, most blogs will have an RSS feed, and you can actually add that into this Google Chrome extension. So let's take a look at what it should look like. So inside of the extension, you've got the area that your buttons will be located, and then the area that your RSS feed will show. Typically an RSS feed is a blog, so it will be your blog articles that will show. So we can add up to 10 buttons and then one URL that is the RSS feed for your blog. So let's see how we can create that inside of ChromeStackPro. The first thing we need to do is come up with an extension name. That name is going to appear right here at the top, right below the main logo. The next item is description. Remember that the description appears inside of the Google Chrome extension, manage extension area of your local computer. The description will also appear inside of the Google Chrome web store. The next item is the header logo. This is the logo that appears at the top of the extension. So just click Choose File. And once you choose the file, you should see a preview. Then we can start adding the custom buttons. And in here, you can add up to 10 buttons. The first item you need to add is the button text. The next item you add is the URL. Decide if you want it open in a new tab or a new window. And then decide on a button color for the button that appears inside of the extension. Now you can add your next button by just clicking the Add button, and you can create another button for your Google Chrome extension. Once you've added all the buttons that you want to add, then you're going to scroll down, and the next field that you fill out is a checkbox that is to enable RSS feed. So if you want to add the URL for your RSS feed, be sure to check that box. Then you'll see some more fields appear. The first one being the RSS section title. Now that is the area just above where the RSS feed is going to start. That's this title right here. So add the title that you want to appear just before the RSS feed shows. The next field is the RSS feed URL. You'll get this from your blog, whether you use BizStackPro as your blogging platform or any other blogging platform. They typically have an RSS feed, which is a URL. You want to make sure to put that URL into this field. Once you add your RSS feed URL, then you need to decide how many of the items in your feed do you want to show. And this number can be anything between 3 and 10. What that means is when you are showing your Google Chrome extension, how many of these feed items will show. And these will be the newest items from your blog. Remember, you can choose between 3 and 10. The last item to fill out is the icon. So click Choose File. And when you select your icon, you should see a preview of it. With all of the fields complete, then click Generate Extension, and it will generate all the files that you need in a nice, neat zip file with some instructions on how to install the extension locally on your computer. And remember, once you install it locally and you test it, then you can decide if you want to distribute the files to other users, if you want to create another extension for a client, or if you want to publish this to the Google Chrome web store. All of that information is over here on the right-hand side. You'll see how to add your extension to your browser, and you'll also see how to publish your extension to the Google Chrome web store. And that's how we create the Buttons with RSS Feed extension in ChromeStackPro.